ne?
Sure.
Welcome back to it Mapakania. Ngiphethe uSibuda, Sibuda unjani futhi?
Angimnandi wena Thami.
Ngimnandi. Sibuda uyibona kanjani game ya Vandag score prediction?
It's going to be a tough one, yabo. TS Galaxy, they are pushing. Puso is there. Mahlambi is there. Their defense is also tight. You understand? So if Pirates is to win this game, they really have to play out of their socks to win this one. But obviously, Speramajita, momentum, Pirates, lineup, coach, let's say Majita, the last 3-4 games. So we also tight not at the back. 40 games without conceding a goal. So, but it doesn't change the fact that it's not going to be a walk in the park like MSO Ilala, no. But hopefully, if it's going to be a tight game. One team should stick it 1-0 or 2-1.
You've heard it Mapakania 1-0 or 2-1, so that's a quick game, ne? Yeah. Who would you rather start? Essence between abo number 10, as you have seen, it's abo number 10 ababaya. Even no Kokomelon, it's one of number 10s now. So between Utito Maswanganyi no MasterChef, who would you rather start?
Look, we all know fitness Kambule. You pick up fitness yakhe. So I would start Maswanganyi, who's been there. Then Ngati game MasterChef.
Okay, between Umaswanganyi no Rile, who would you rather start?
Look, for me, Rile is a winger. He's a good attacking player. But between Rile and Maswanganyi in that 10 position, I would obviously start no Maswanganyi. Then to finish them off, Ngletu Rile central.
Between Umaswanganyi no Kabelo Dlamini, as we have seen Ukabela Gadlali, but nalapha ku-10 ngamfaka, who would you rather start?
Look, I'm a game up higher. Gune Carling Black level this coming weekend. This is where I would change it a bit. Jongobusho, Dlamini, Ulibeka Ngadlali, Wonke Lamachita, thinking fitness and all of that. Personally, I don't think he coach getting that much pressure to win the game yesterday. I mean, he already has one cup competition in the back. This one is just for him. If I were him, I would give Lamaya Machita a run like he did game Liolia Saturday. You understand? So I would bring in a Shevchenko on Saturday. Today, it's about being clinical, 33 points, and then get closer to number 1.
So who would you rather start between Shevchenko and Maswanganyi?
Today I'm starting Maswanganyi.
You've heard it, Mapakania. Maswanganyi is an ultimate winner. Opa!